This video here, I'm going to be showing you how to use a Posi-Track ASV VT-70 mini excavator. Alright, it's the inside of it, controls and everything. Alright, so what do we have here? We have a joystick. This is to go forward, back, right, and left. Then there's a button on the back also to go for accelerating speed to make you go faster. Parking brake. Your other joystick to work the bucket. Okay. Down, up. And this is to actually lift the bucket. This is where you start it. So let's go ahead and get it started. Alright. Speeding up. So the gauges popped up. This is how you can lower the speed or increase the torque. Alright, that's the engine switch. And these are your joysticks. You have to make sure you put the safety bar down. Safety bar has to go down and around your body. Alright. Parking brake has to be off. Alright. See, that's to lift it. That's to lift the bucket. See, going to the left. That lowers the bucket to the left, lifts it, that lowers it, pull the joystick back, and it lifts the whole unit up. Alright. Alright, and that's how you work this mini excavator. It's your boy Double R dropping jewels. I'll come with some more videos on how-tos, how to hack, and how to work shit, and a bunch of music. Peace.